Hello, thank you for taking the time to click on this video. This is my week 13 assignment. In this video, I will be using a Create React app to create a new React project. I am to create a login form component that contains the following. It has to have a username and password input. It has to have an H3 that says login order. Style the component using the default generated CSS file. It says I have to create a navigation component that contains links styled like a navbar, and links don't have to go anywhere. Put the navigation component at the top of the page and the login form in the center of the page. So to start, I imported a React object component from the React module. Here, I created a class called LoginForm that extends to the component. And inside of here, and I have a URL that goes and grabs an image. I have some styles that I use to style. I have some styles that I use to style my web page. Here are some of the styles that I used. And here's my login form. So my login form just has a row. Here inside of the row, you'll see it has two columns. One column for the image and one column for the login form itself. Inside of my login form, I have a header and two inputs along with a button. So that's my login form. Here is my navbar. On my navbar, I did the same thing here. Hold on just a second. So on my login form, I exported the login form so then I'd be able to grab this component and bring it into my app.js. So here in my navbar, so here I imported a React object and component from the React module. I created a class that's called navbar that extends to that component. Here are some styles that I use to style the navbar. When it renders, the navbar is set up to have some styles here, and there. So I'll just go ahead and show you what this looks like. Okay, so here back in my app.js file, you'll see that I styled my sheet, or I styled my web page to have a React fragment. And inside of there, it has the navbar and the login form. And then I exported the app itself, so it has all of the components added in. So when I load up my React, it'll come up like this, and here's my React website. Here's my React app. So the React assignment was that it's supposed to have a border around the login form. It's supposed to have an input for the email and password. And the navbar is supposed to be styled, and it's also supposed to be at the top of the app. Week 13 assignment. Thank you for taking the time to view my video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.